What's going down, everybody? Welcome back to the Half-Assed Garage. Today we got something cool and new in the mail for the shop. I'm wearing my Iron Horse Garage shirt, so that's pretty cool too. So check them out if you haven't checked them out already. And here's the deal. I'm going to have to store this tool in the bed of the truck because it's going to get a transmission and I have a culvert to put in and all kinds of crazy stuff. But we're going to take a look at this cool tool right now, me and you. I haven't even seen it yet, so we're going to look at it together. So here we go. All right. Now, I haven't seen this yet. I just pulled this back. So we're going to look at it together. Check it out. Pretty excited. If anybody knows anything about Quickway, this is a valve grinder. So it needs a little bit of love. You know, it's a little bit dirty, but no big deal. I got this at a price that I just could not pass it up for. This is an older machine. It's the Quickway VS, I believe is what it is. There's some paperwork down inside of here. I'll have to just kind of look through it. Now, when I work on stuff over at Jay's, he has a Quickway as well, but it's a newer one. So I do have experience using these machines, but yeah, I'll have to learn myself up on this one. But yes, this is the machine for grinding valves, or well, one of them. It's an older machine. Like I said, I don't know exactly when, maybe from the 70s, something like that, maybe 80s. I don't know. I have to look at it, and just needs to be cleaned up and checked for true. Yeah. So anyway, that's kind of what we got going down. Valve goes in here, down in there, and then moves back and forth and set angles and stuff. The wheel looks like it might have a little bit of use on it, so I might have to replace the wheel. I don't know. But yeah, I'm super excited to get it. A cool new tool for the shop. The problem is, mainly with this, is packed up, it weighs 250 pounds. So I don't have a place to put this thing. I do not have a table to put it on, which is why it's going in here for now. So it's just a short little thing, kind of like a tool update. I'm really excited to have that. I've wanted a valve grinder for years. It's going to make things a lot happier around here for just working on stuff because I don't have to take all of my valves somewhere else. And Jay's shop is like 45 minutes away. So anyway, that's that. Transmission is coming for this. Should be here on Tuesday. And then whatever. The culvert and stuff. If I don't get the culvert done in time, I can't get this truck out on the road to get it to the shop to put the trans in. So if you don't know what a culvert is, so right there you'll see that's my driveway, right? That thing with the trees is a ditch. So what the culvert is a big tube. Why isn't this thing focusing? So what a culvert is a tube that goes underneath here that allows water to flow from the ditch underneath your little driveway and off to wherever ditches go. So ours is collapsed. You can see that it sags. It goes doop. So the ditch can no longer flow. That road there is the only way that I have to get the D150 out to the street. So once I use the backhoe, that's why I've left this stuff on here. Once I use the backhoe to start digging that up, I won't be able to get anything across there. So we're going to have to work on that. That's a one-day job solid, so we're going to get on it. Hopefully you like some tractor videos because that's what's going to be coming. I just don't have time to work on cool car projects, so we're going to fill up the time with cool backhoe and tractor videos. So that's coming up. I hope you like it. I don't know when I'm going to get to it, but I'll start filming it tomorrow. And then I'll see you then. Left-handed. Stepped on the wrong thing. There we go. Temporary new home. All right. Well, on this tractor, this is your forward and reverse. So that's why I stepped on it. We're going to get into this thing a little bit more in depth at a later date when I have some time to mess around with it, but you'll see this thing is where it's at for you know, for grinding valves. It's awesome. So super excited to have this thing, and we'll talk more about it later. Off I go.